Hi and welcome to Ask Charlie. This week is going to be short and sweet, but I am super excited about it. I've been working really hard on creating my Ask Charlie perfect picnic recipes and guide. I just adore a picnic, and for the last few years actually I've been making picnic hampers for people, whether they're going to the races, to Glyndebourne, or just having a picnic by the river with their friends and loved ones, or for a birthday or something like that. And so I thought I'd share my recipes with you guys. There's 24 in total, and my top tips as well. There's something to keep the children happy, adults, and then of course puddings at the end. So I hope that you really enjoy it. I just think picnics are so much fun, and whether it's just out of a Tupperware or whether you take your best things out and make a real spread of it, it doesn't matter. But I think picnics should be fun, easy and relaxed. So I have planned the recipes that loads of it you can do in advance. You can either warm it up, you can eat it cold. There's all sorts of that. So I hope that you really love it as much as I've loved creating it for you. And I hope you all have a fabulous weekend, and I will catch up with you again next week.